Good morning, students. So far, I have completed all my portion for first unit test. I have completed first chapter of science, three chapter of history, and now I will start with civics. So, students, there is very time limitation. So, today I will be taking two lessons, that is our life in society and diversity in society. So these two chapters I will take, only important points I am going to discuss. Okay, this is the first chapter, our life in society. You can see here how the development take from nomadic stage. See how the development take place. So and society develop. I have made some important points for you and I will discuss that in detail. Man was in nomadic stage before a settled social life. Stability and security are the two attributes in community life. Yes, students, stability and security. Next, tradition, ethnic and laws are the things which make our life organized and stable. Next, which are the physical needs? Food, shelter and clothing are the man's physical need, which could be satisfied only in society. Food, clothes, shelter, education and health are man's basic need. And the last important point is security, appreciation, praise and support are the emotional needs of man. They are the emotional needs of man. Group of people come together to achieve certain common objective is a society. Group of people, when they come together to achieve a common objective, it is said to be a society. So with these points, I am finishing this chapter number 1 of civics. Now I will start with the second chapter. Students, this is our second chapter, that is diversity in society. So here also I am going to discuss IMP points and finish off this chapter. First of all, diversity. What is diversity? Diversity is the mark of our rich culture heritage. Yes, in our society we see diversity. Yes, we see different languages, religion, culture, custom, traditions. Okay, these are the different aspects in Indian society wherein diversity is witnessed. Next is the secularism. Student, secularism is one of the principles which has helped us to maintain the religious harms. Next, the process of sharing and helping each other in solving problem and removing difficulties are called as cooperation. That is cooperating with the people. And next is prejudices or misconception are the causes of conflicts. इन दो वजह के वजह से झगड़े होते हैं. दैट इज प्रिजुडिसाइज की वजह से और मिसकंसेप्ट होने के कारण ही झगड़े होते हैं. तो इसे सुलझाया कैसे जाए? हाउ कैन यू सॉल्व? द वे टू रिजॉल्व कॉन्फ्लिक्ट इज कॉम्प्रोमाइज एंड अंडरस्टैंडिंग. सो by compromising and understanding only we can solve the conflict. Rules are required to run the society smoothly. This is the main point. Rules are essential to run the society smoothly. Let's discuss this point. Regulation of society. In order that the society functions smoothly, some rules are required. In ancient times, society are almost regulated with the help of traditions. But in modern time, along with the tradition, laws are needed. Law is different from tradition and custom. The regulation of society through law and tradition is carried out by different organizations and institutions. The government bodies at the local level also play an important role in the process of regulation of society. So student, with this I have completed the second topic of civics. Let's go with the activity. So students, these are the two activities which you have to carry out one time. Here fill in the blanks and two answer question which you have to carry out one time. Here is the home assignment I have done for you. Man felt the need for the rules for the day-to-day affairs of society to run smoothly. Second, dash helps the development of the people's talent, society. We all have some emotional and some dash need too, that is physical. What are our basic needs? Food, clothing, shelter, education and health are our basic needs. Whose company do we like? We like the company of our family members, relative and friends. Name the following. Two basic needs, students, education and health. Two emotional need of the man, security and appreciation. Any two physical need, food and clothing. Let's go activity for second lesson. To live among a variety of community is to expand dash oneness. India is an important secular nation of the world. Cooperation make independence in society healthier. Name the following. Any two aspects wherein society witnessed in India: language and religion. Spirit which ends the conflict, tolerance. Two essential factors which are important for regulation of society: law and tradition. Complete the analogy. Secularism, religious harmony, that is progress, cooperation. Food, physical need. Appreciation is the emotional need. Okay students, so this is the activity which you have to write one time. For second lesson there is no question answers. I have completed 2 chapters of civics. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day student.